I have here a demo sail and I'm going to run wire. I'll start by inserting the wire rope into the pocket and feeding it through until it extends out of the next corner. At the second corner, the wire rope will come out of the pocket and get fed back in. Note that the wire rope does not go through the D-ring, but rather rests on top of it. The process is the same for the next corner as well. The amount of wire rope you pull through will be dictated by the size of your sail. The wire rope tail should be the same length and will be roughly 3 to 6 feet long, depending on your sail. Tuck each end back into the pockets, creating a loop that's roughly the size of the D-ring. When adding the wire rope clamps, do not clamp the D-ring, only include the wire rope. I'll now add the wire rope clamps with the nuts facing up, which will be the skyward side. At this point, I'll only hand tighten so the wire rope is still able to move freely. We're now ready to add connection hardware.